This is a video about how to install the Screencastify extension. So I'm actually on a Windows machine. I'm on my Dell laptop and I just opened my Chrome browser. And first I'm going to check to make sure I don't have it installed already. So I come up to this little puzzle piece right here. That's where all of my extensions are. If I go ahead and click on that, I can see what extensions are installed right here. And I do not have Screencastify. So next step is you go to the Chrome Web Store. You can just search for the Chrome Web Store. It's actually chrome.google.com. Okay, it looks something like this. And you'll notice right here, there's actually a Northport folder already with some extensions and apps in there. So I'm just going to go right there because I know Screencastify is in there. So if I go to that list and I go down towards the bottom, here it is right here, Screencastify. So all I need to do is go ahead and select that. And then I need to click on this right here, Add to Chrome. And then Add Extension. It's going to go ahead and do its thing. It may take a few seconds to install. So first it downloads it, then it installs it. Okay, and it tells me right here that it has been installed. Okay, so now I need to try it out because it's going to need to access my video camera and my microphone. So let's go ahead and click on it. So I go back into the puzzle piece. And I see it right here down the bottom of the list. Go ahead and select it. Okay, it's going to go through a few paces the first time. I'm going to have to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with Google with my school account. And yes, I'm going to give it access to my Google Drive because that's where it will drop the videos when they're done. It actually makes a folder called Screencastify in there, and that's where it puts it. And then right here, you see I have to enable the mic and webcam. And then up here, I have to click Allow. Okay, and I'm also going to go ahead and click Enable Tools. It'll give me a few more options and allow. Okay, so now I should be ready to go. If I go back there and click on it again, it now allows me to go ahead and start using it. So that is how you install the Screencastify extension.